Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fine. In this presentation, we are going to discuss the concept of logical OR not with conditional in Python. So without any further delay, let's get started. In Python, logical operators are used on conditional statement, either true or false. They perform logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT operations. In previous presentation, we have studied about logical AND operator. Now we are going to discuss logical OR operator. If any of the conditions are satisfied, then the statement inside the if block will be executed. Otherwise, the else part will be executed. Let's understand with the help of an example. First of all, open your Visual Studio Code. Here I am written one program with the help of conditional statement and I am using here OR operator. First of all, I am declaring here two variables which has assigned some string value, username equal to admin and password is equal to welcome. Now I am putting here condition if username equal to admin or password is equal to admin@123. After the end of the statement, we must put semicolon here. If this condition is satisfied with my inputs, then it print this message, admin login successful. Otherwise, it again check the condition, username equal to admin or password equal to welcome. If these conditions are satisfied with my inputs, then it prints this message, admin login successful. If neither of these conditions are satisfied, then else part will be executed. Now what are my inputs? Username is admin and password is welcome. Now it checks a condition here. Username is admin but password is not admin. So it doesn't satisfy with my input. Now it again check the condition here. Username is admin and password is welcome. Yes, it's satisfied with my inputs. Then it prints this message, admin login successful. We will see the output. Go to run command and see the result. First of all, save your program and see the result. Admin login successful. If I'm changing here values, suppose I'm putting another string here. Now again check the result. Go to run command and see the output. Unauthorized user, because these conditions are not satisfied. I hope this concept is clear to you, how to use an OR operator with if-else condition. Now we are going to discuss logical NOT operator in Python. The NOT operator in Python is a logical operator that negates the truth value of its operand. If the operand is true, NOT will return false, and if the operand is false, NOT will return true. Let's understand with the help of an example. Again, I am in Visual Studio Code. I am using here NOT operator with Boolean value. This is my program. If x equal to false, I am putting here condition. If not x, after end of the statement, we must put semicolon here. Then print x is false. Here my condition is true because x is false. Now it print this message, x is false. What are my outputs? X is false. Now check the result, go to run command and see the result, x is false. This is a program where I am using Boolean value. We can use NOT operator with string also. This is my another program where I am using string value. If name is, I am putting here variable name which has assigned some string value Rohan. If not name means my name is empty. If my name is empty, then it will print this message, no name. Here I am using NOT operator with variable name. Else the else part will be executed. Print f your name is this. Now my conditions is name is Rohan. My inputs are name equal to Rohan. So it means this part will be not executed because this is for empty list. Now the else part will be executed. What are my else part? Print f your name is name. Now we know that f string work. How f string work? F string is a string which consists of the normal string and the normal variable that we want to output on the screen. Here we have this string your name. This is my string your name, and in curly braces we must put here variable name which will get replaced by the value, okay, at the runtime. Now when we see the result, this is my output. Your name is Rohan. At the runtime, this variable name get replaced by the value of Rohan. If I doesn't put any value here, Now see the result. Go to run command and see the result. No name because my name is empty. I hope this concept is clear to you. How to use logical OR operator with if-else condition. How to use logical NOT operator in Python. We have seen the example of logical NOT operator with boolean value, and we have seen the example of logical NOT operator with the string. If the string is empty, then the NOT operator will return true, otherwise it return false. I hope all these concepts are clear to you. That's it for now, students. Thanks for watching this presentation. Have a nice day.